While a dryer can help with wrinkles, nothing gets you crisp, fresh clothing like a steam iron. This compact laundry room appliance brings the reviving power of steam to refresh clothing and remove even the most deep-set wrinkles. Steam irons are great tools for lovers of linen and business people who desire a wrinkle-free look. After weeks of testing and ironing work, the Pure Steam Professional Grade 1700 Watt Steam Iron emerged as the best iron. This wrinkle-busting steam iron is easy to use, with a large water tank to handle all your laundry needs. For a steam iron with all the bells and whistles, the Rowenta SteamForce DW9280 is a luxurious way to remove deep creases with powerful steam. But there are plenty of great steam irons to choose from. Number 1. Pure Steam Professional Grade 1700 Watt Steam Iron. The Pure Steam Professional Grade 1700 Watt Steam Iron is the best steam iron you can buy. Like a pair of skates on ice, our top pick smoothly slides across fabrics. With a large, easy-to-fill water tank, you can iron much of your family's wardrobe in one fell swoop. The iron excels at removing wrinkles, giving your clothes a fresh look and feel. The 14-ounce water tank is one of the biggest of any iron we tested and is one of the easiest steam irons to fill with water. It comes with a small plastic cup to help fill the iron, but it is easy to fill without it. Despite the large water tank, the steam function didn't leak, which is a common fault among other clothing irons we tested. It quickly removes fine wrinkles with little to no effort. The water and steam buttons are near the handle for easy adjustment while ironing, and the anti-drip feature keeps water from leaking out of the stainless steel sole plate. We love how easy the controls are to read. We quickly found the right temperature settings for our fabrics. Note that while some temperature dials have an arrow to mark where to set the temperature, this iron has a raised bump. For the best steam iron that removes wrinkles easily and quickly, the Pure Steam is the one you want. Number 2. Rowenta SteamForce DW9280. While more expensive than most steam irons, the Rowenta SteamForce heats up quickly, is easy to use, and removes wrinkles fast, earning a top spot as our best upgrade pick. The iron glides over clothing, removing deep wrinkles and creases with powerful steam. It doesn't snag on fabrics, so we feel comfortable using it on delicate materials. This is one of the heaviest steam irons in our guide. The dense design helps the iron glide smoothly and easily, but it can be quite the workout if you're doing anything more than a handful of dress shirts. The Rowenta DW9280 can also be awkward to fill in the sink because the water tank must be at the right angle to avoid making a big wet mess. Additionally, it's hard to see the water line to know when to stop. Despite these minor grievances, the Rowenta SteamForce DW9280 is a worthy investment, offering a luxurious ironing experience for many fabrics. Number 3. Singer Steamcraft Plus. We love the look of this iron's bright turquoise color and vintage design. The 12-foot power cord is one of the longest of any iron we tested, making it easy to move the iron freely around the ironing board without pulling the cord taut. Unfortunately, the Singer Steam Iron fell short at removing wrinkles during our fabric tests. After 7 minutes of ironing with our top-performing irons, they had already removed most of the wrinkles, but the Singer had only removed about half. Additional concerns: the settings button is awkwardly positioned on the handle and is easy to bump. The hole to the water tank is narrow and requires a specific angle to be filled, which is burdensome to fill up. Number 4. CHI Professional Iron, 13101. The Chi Steam Iron has one of the longest cords, making it a great choice if you live in a home with fewer electrical outlets. It's also one of the easiest to fill and the controls are clear and easy to use. Unfortunately, the iron fell over quickly during topple tests, causing the water tank lid to pop open and creating a wet mess to clean up. Using the steam function also caused water droplets to leak from the plate, soaking the fabric. The ceramic-coated sole plate didn't travel as smoothly as stainless steel-plated irons did. It stumbled on the fabric, creating creases that needed another pass to smooth out. The titanium-infused ceramic sole plate is ultra-strong and scratch-resistant. Matte chrome accents and a sleek design give this iron a polished look. With over 300 steam holes, this iron delivers powerful steam that makes the process of steaming out wrinkles smooth and fast. Number 5. Sunbeam Classic GCS BCL 317000. The Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron has some of the most clear controls out of all the irons we tested. You can select your temperature by choosing the fabric you're working with. It heats up 25 degrees higher than most other steam irons, leaving fabrics like cotton dress shirts flat and crisp. On the downside, The iron's auto shutoff feature takes 60 seconds before it kicks on, almost double the time of most others we tested. Between the very high heat settings and the extra long shutoff time, the iron left prominent scorch marks after only 30 seconds in our burn tests. You can expect freshly pressed laundry from this extra hot iron, just make sure to use it with care. The classic steam iron offers 5 fabric settings and 3 steam select settings. The durable non-stick sole plate surface glides over fabrics and smooths out wrinkles quickly and efficiently. Featuring a 3-way motion, Smart Auto Off automatically shuts the iron off if left unattended or set in an improper position.